you find a website selling high-end drones and fresh flower bouquets at 70% off, listen to your gut. Your internal alarm should be screaming. This is exactly the situation with a site called Trovehand that has been saturating social media feeds lately. It looks like a legitimate shop when you first click through those flashy ads. They use a standard checkout system that we all recognize. They even offer the security of a major payment processor. This usually makes us feel safe because of buyer protection policies. But that is where the comfort ends and the weirdness begins. I started digging into the history of this operation and found some massive red flags. This domain was registered at the tail end of December and has only been active for about 5 months. It is essentially a newborn in the world of online retail. Security platforms are already giving it the lowest possible ratings. We are talking about risk scores that suggest an incredibly high chance of fraud. One major security tool gave it a 1 out of 100 rating. Another marked it as a significant threat. The company link to the site, Wani Trading, operates through a cloud registrar with zero public transparency. It is a total black box for anyone trying to verify who they are dealing with. Customer stories are starting to pile up and the reports are not pretty. People order their items and then wait for weeks only to receive nothing. They get tracking numbers that never update or simply lead to dead ends. When they try to reach out to the support team, they're met with total silence. It is a classic disappearing act after the money changes hands. But the most hilarious and terrifying part of this whole setup is the product photography. If you look at the file names for the images used on the site, they literally contain the names of popular artificial intelligence tools. They didn't even bother to rename the files. You are looking at a computer-generated dream of a product instead of an actual item in a warehouse. Then you go to read their story on the About Us page and it gets even weirder. It reads like a bizarre fever dream. One minute the text is talking about a peaceful hobby of collecting sea glass on a sandy beach. The next minute they're trying to sell you heavy drones and designer denim. It is a messy template that someone forgot to finish before launching. They even left blank spaces in the text where the actual name of the store should have been inserted. It is incredibly lazy and it is dangerous for your bank account. If you've already given them your information, you need to act right now. Contact your bank or your payment provider immediately to start a claim. There's a limited window to dispute these charges and you don't want to let that time run out. This site is a masterclass in why we have to stay cynical when a deal looks too perfect. Don't let a flashy ad and a deep discount blind you to the fact that this store barely has a physical footprint. It's always better to pay a little more at a reputable shop than to throw your hard-earned money into a digital void. Keep your eyes open for these unfinished templates and AI-generated bait. There are plenty of real deals out there, but this one is nothing but a digital ghost story.